Hey, how's it going, guys? Benny Charles, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, and I'm back with another video. In this video, guys, I just want to do a market recap and also a forecast of the S&P 500 and how I plan on making money tomorrow and how I've been trading it so far this week. So, this fainted vertical dotted line here is the start of the week. Coming in, I already had a sell bias simply because we had the creation of 4-hour supply. Okay, that was respected. Okay, and then we kept having drop-offs and the creation of 4-hour supply that was respected. Now here today, or yesterday rather, in the after hours, we had this 4-hour transitional demand that was created, and then today we saw that demand being taken out here. Now, this demand was taken out. However, we had the respecting of this 4-hour demand that was created weeks ago. Okay, and that demand is at the 43.86 to 43.70.7 area of interest. So that has been respected, and so that could be early signs of this market getting ready to turn around. Now, I currently do have these white 1-hour zones created, and you can see here that we have a 1-hour demand zone that was created. The market came up, respected that, as well as this 4-hour supply zone, and that 4-hour supply zone is the 4460.2 and 4489.7 zone as far as the 4-hour. Okay, now we have another 1-hour supply zone here, which is the, trying to give you guys the levels for these. That is the 4442.8 to 4462 1-hour supply zone. So tomorrow, when I get up, I will look to see how the market has, or if it is respecting this 1-hour zone. And if it does, then I will be looking to take shorts down further, possibly into, I think ultimately into this institutional accumulation area, and that is the 4319.6 to 4135.9 zone that I have. Okay, now if we will actually get down here this week, I don't know, because the short-term institutional bias for the S&P 500 is long. All right, so the institutions may have decided to come into this 4386 to 4370.7 4-hour demand, and we may see the market rally up, possibly taking out this 4-hour supply right here. maybe coming into this 4-hour supply that has been created. Let me go ahead and mark that. This supply has been created but not yet mitigated. Sorry about that, it's my phone. Okay, this one has been created, which is the 4505.7 to 4523.2 4-hour supply zone. So again, this one has not been mitigated. This one has. I'm going to leave that on here for right now. Excuse me. Until it has been taken out. So again, I will be looking to see how this 1 hour and 4 hour plays up again, or plays out. This 4 hour has already been mitigated. 1, 2, 3 times. All right, it's already been mitigated 3 times. I'm not sure exactly how many more orders could be there for the institutions to close out or to break even there. So again, we may see this market rally up tomorrow as a result of them respecting again the 4386 to 4370.7 demand zone, and possibly eventually maybe towards the end of this week to the beginning of next week, this 4-hour supply zone, which is the 4505.7 to 4523.2 supply zone, we may see that get mitigated, and then we may see the market push down further into, again, this institutional accumulation. So again, long story short, guys, again, how I plan on making money tomorrow is, again, I want to see this 1 hour supply zone respected. I'll be looking for confirmation to take that further down. I have been in this position here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have been in this sell position since Monday. I've taken multiple TPs and re-entries. I am currently still in it right now. I've taken partial profit. I have a small runner running with the stop loss being in profit. So again, we'll see how that plays out. Again, we've had this 4-hour transitional zone that was created and taken out. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Let's go ahead and get rid of these lines. Okay, this 4-hour zone has been respected. So again, we'll see how this 1 hour and this 4 hour holds up for the market open tomorrow to see exactly how we want to play this. All right. So again, guys, at this point, I will be waiting for the market to rally up and possibly give me signs of selling, or if it does rally up into and through this 1 hour supply, then I will be looking for signs of taking a few long trades, even though I think that is just it will be just a quick scalp, because I think the ultimate goal is for the institutions to at least come into this institutional accumulation area and mitigate this before pushing the market up, if that is the case, because we may see it come down into this institutional accumulation and push further down to another institutional accumulation. So all right, guys, let me know if this video makes sense to you. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you guys are planning on making money this week. All right, until next time, guys, always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Happy pip fishing, and always, always wait for confirmation. Bye-bye.